Happy Sunday, fun day. It's time for Sunday Clincheck Shorts. I'm your host, Dr. David Geller, 60 seconds to a better Clincheck. Way back, blast to the past here. In order to get balance and stability and to create and generate force, you need 2 horizontal bevel attachments in every quadrant. And you can see that here on the lower left-hand side, we have them. But on the upper left-hand side, we do not have horizontal bevels. Now I get it. I think this dentist was of the belief that you cannot bond 2 attachments to porcelain, but that's not true. If you have the right silane agent, you have the right technique, if you use the product Assure, you can bond it. Trying to get this movement done without anchorage here will not be predictable. I'm not saying it's not going to work. It's just not going to go 100%. The plastic needs anchorage. Just holding on to the teeth is not enough. Furthermore, I mean, look at these teeth. They're actually extruding a little bit without attachments. I understand that we don't like to place attachments on crowns. I understand it's more difficult and more steps. But if you don't have posterior retention where the plastic snaps in and creates tension and tightness, you're going to have more problems than you bargained for. Make sure to always have horizontal bevel attachments on all premolars, unless the premolars are doing something more exciting, and then you gravitate towards that. This has been Sunday Clincheck Short, 60 seconds to a better Clincheck.